Right, talk.
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Bali, magmukbang daw kami ni Asher, sabi niya. Gagayahin daw niya akong kumain, sabi niya. So, ito na yung hapunan namin ni Asher at sasabayan ko siya. So,
I will copy mommy to eat.
I will copy one too. Bali, nag-insalada ako ng alukbati, guys. Alukbati nito. Tapos, nilagyan ko ng sibuyas at nilagyan ko ng luya. So, ito yung aking hapunan. Tapos, si Asher naman, rice and vegetable din. Bali, kulitis yata yung niluto ni Asis na may patatas. So, yun yung ulam ni Asher naman. Okay. So, what's the thing don't be like that. What's the thing I teach you? Before eat, what we need to do before eat? Okay. Before eat, we need to pray. Okay? So, you copy mommy, ha? Okay. Dear Jesus. Come on.
Dear Jesus,
Thank you
thank you
for this food
for this food
that we about
we about
to receive.
receive.
Amen.
Amen.
Okay,
I will
let's...
copy in a school.
Okay, let's eat. Kain tayo, guys. Hindi nyo nakikita si Asher.
I'm ready to copy you to eat.
Okay, you copy me to eat. Okay. So, eat na. I will take my leaves. I will put in my rice and... Okay.
I put this food and eat.
What I said? Don't talk if your mouth is full. You need to swallow first the rice in your mouth before you talk. Okay? Oh, next.
Mommy,
Yes.
I put big spoon here and I eat big spoon and I swallow.
Okay. You chew your food properly, okay?
Okay.
You be careful. I do not like to see any rice, ha? How to eat like this? Oops. Okay. Sarap ng ulam ko.
Mommy,
Delicious. Sarap. Delicious spinach.
Mommy.
Yes.
don't talk with your mouth full.
Tonton?
Mommy,
Yes.
don't talk with your mouth full.
Yes, don't talk if your mouth is full. I'm always telling you that one. Don't talk if your mouth is full. It's not
I
good.
like copy.
Okay.
What are you doing? Mommy, I
Yes.
forgot
What you forgot?
to wash my hands.
Okay, you go.
And wait for me.
Okay, I will wait for
Don't
you.
eat.
Okay. Kailangan ko pa siyang antayin. Ako, kailangan ko talaga siyang antayin.
I put with soap.
Okay, you wipe your hand. Okay, sit down. Okay, eat your food. Sit properly. Okay, eat. Okay na. Okay, good boy. Delicious?
So yummy.
So yummy. Iba ulam ko, salada ulam ko.
How many? 11?
What 11?
11 spoon?
11 spoon. Come on. Ang sarap ng ensaladang alukbati. Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly, anak ko.
Wait.
Only onion and tomatoes.
Okay.
Delicious. I like this. Ang aga namin maghapunan ni Asher. Ano na dito? Mga 7 o'clock? Ang liwanag pa kasi sa labas. Parang alas 6 lang. Don't play. Yung nakaraan, kumain ako. Ang ulam ko, saging. Abay, gusto din.
Mommy, I have my spoon.
You have your spoon.
Mommy, my adding.
Don't worry about your adding. Papa is there. Nasa labas kasi sila, guys.
Jimmy. Mommy,
Nasa labas
this is
kasi.
coming.
Ngayon, yung apo nilang babae, nagsiselos dun kay Tonton. Don't worry about Tonton. Papa is there.
What bye? What bye? What bye?
Nagsiselos. Ayaw niya na may ibang hinahawakang bata yung mga pinsan nila. O di kaya yung lola niya. Ayaw niya. Nagsiselos siya. Sarap talaga. Oh, come on. Oh, very good. You almost finished your rice. You almost finished your rice, huh?
I need to go my baby. Netflix.
Don't mind. Come on, make it fast.
I want to make baby.
Okay. You wash your hand after, okay?
Okay.
Ang ulam ko kasi, asin. Mantika na may asin, tapos saging. Ulam ko. Kasi subo din. Gusto din niya. Sabi niya sa akin, gusto daw niya yung pagkain ko. Wipe your head. You like mommy's food?
Yes. Almost finished.
Almost finished, yes.
Look.
Yours. Come on, eat.
What's this? Where?
That one vegetable. You eat all.
No,
You know that-
onion?
No onion. You know that vegetable is good in our body? It's healthy food.
Where?
That's why eat vegetable always, okay?
Where was it? Look. Where? I don't know.
Delicious. Okay?
Maybe I will win.
We'll see. First time namin magbukbang na kaming dalawa lang. Kumain na kaming dalawa lang. Pa, slowly. Siya mismo nagsabi, Mami, I want to eat. I want to copy you. I want to copy you to eat, sabi niya. Kaya sabi ko, sige. First time. Nagbukbang kami na kaming dalawa lang. Slowly.
Mommy, I'm almost finished.
I will take adding. Wait lang.
I'm almost finished.
Yeah, very good, kuya. Tapos na siya. Very good.
Wait.
Very good boy. Okay.
Where
You
are
also, look, my vegetable is almost finished.
And you need to cook right now.
Oh, come on.
I'm good.
Oh.
has not almost finished. And you will go and put in a plate. It's bad feeling, yes?
Yes.
We need to eat all and put
Yes.
in the sink.
Very good, yes.
When I'm there, food.
You are very good. You need to eat all the food in your plate and plate put in the sink.
And after I clean up the rice, look, I'm almost finished.
Yes, almost finished.
Good boy.
Baby, I will win.
Transfer ko na nga lang lahat to. Paghalo-haluin ko na. Sarap. Sarap. Sarap ng simpleng ulam lang.
Mama, I'm very fast eating.
Yung pag ganito lang, pasalad-salad lang. Sarap. Okay. Wow! Good job! Tapos na siya.
You're fighting?
Ubus na. Very good, kuya. You clean up, kuya. The rice. Good boy. Okay, say bye-bye na. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye.